Meaning of first-hand.
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 First-hand. First-hand refers to direct personal experience or knowledge of something, rather than second-hand information obtained from another source. It implies that the information provided is reliable and accurate, as it comes directly from the source. For example, if someone says they have first-hand experience with a particular type of product, it means they have used it themselves and can provide an accurate assessment of its quality and performance. First-hand accounts can be particularly valuable in fields such as journalism, scientific research, and legal proceedings where accuracy and authenticity are essential.